welcome to Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed the video saw yesterday. I really like it actually, so I hope you do too. Today for your writing task, it's still based on the video of saw, so watch that again if you would like to. The link is on the website again today. And then have a go at the grammar lesson, which today is all about using Year 6 adjectives for talking about emotions, how characters are feeling. There's also an emotion adjective mat for you to use on the website today, so you can use that to do the grammar task and to help you with your writing. So the task today is to choose a different part of the film from yesterday. So look at the prompt sheet again, it's there on the website again for you today. Now I say choose a different part, but you can do the same part if you like, because you can then use the speech, if you did the activity yesterday, you can use the speech from yesterday to help you with today. But it's up to you, you can choose a different part of the film if you prefer. And today you're actually going to write a play script for your part of the film. So imagine that two actors are going to act out your your dialogue, and you are writing a play script for them. So use the play script writing checklist on the website, use the example, have a look at that because that makes it really clear how a play script needs to look. And yeah, those two things should help you when you're writing your play script. I'm going to imagine, here's my pen, I'm going to imagine that I'm writing my play script for the first part of the film again, the same part as I chose yesterday. And having a look at the example that's on the website, the first thing I need to do is set the scene for the audience so they know. Because you've got to imagine you're writing this play script for the actors, but also so that the audience who are watching the film or the play know what's going on. So first of all, I've got to set the scene. So my scene starts in the big field where Mara is all on her own trying to build a plane that works. So my scene setting would be a beautiful, careful with the spelling of that, a beautiful field in the middle of nowhere. That's my scene. You could write a bit more than that if you wanted to, but I'm going to run out of space if I do that. So a beautiful field in the middle of nowhere. Now the next thing I need to do is to describe the action so that the actor who's playing Mara knows what I want her to do first. So I'm going to say, and you don't have to do it in a different colour. On the example, it's done in a different example. It's done in a different colour to make it really clear. You don't have to do that. I'm going to say Mara looks at her broken plane. Now I could use my emotion adjective mat, couldn't I? So I've put a comma here to add some parenthesis at the end. Feeling, how do you think she's feeling when she's looking at her broken plane that won't work? Mara looks at her broken plane. I'm not sure if this word is on the emotion adjective mat or not, but it's a great adjective, so I'm going to use dejected. So feeling a bit glum, a bit down in the mouth, a bit fed up. Okay, then the flying machine belonging to Lucas crash lands onto the table. So Mara is going to speak first. Now in a play script you don't need inverted commas, you don't need any of that. So all you need to do is write the character's name that's going to speak and put a colon. And if you look at the playwriting example, it will make it really obvious to you. So Mara looks at her broken plane and dejected, but I've got to say what's happened, haven't I? A tiny flying machine crashes. I'm going to just put crash lands. I probably would write crash lands onto the picnic table, but I haven't got so much space. Mara says, what, because remember she stammered, didn't she? What's that? Now, what I haven't done there is something that's really important in a play script, and that's why the emotion adjectives were part of your grammar writing task today. I haven't said how Mara's feeling or how the actor has to say it. Because if the actor just looks and sees that they've got to say, what's that? They don't actually know how they've got to act it. So what I would need to put in here, I'm just going to put a little arrow with brackets. I've got to write an adjective to show how she's feeling. So she's going to be shocked, isn't she? She's going to be absolutely amazed by what's just happened. And then Lucas is going to speak. And he's the little navigator, isn't he? Now he is not, he is shocked, but an adjective that I liked, it's actually 2 words from the mat. Scared witless, so he's scared out of his wits. Stay away, he says. Stay away from me. So again, I don't need any inverted commas, I just need to tell the actor how the characters are feeling and who's speaking. Now, this is not, I have to be honest, this is not, I don't think this is the greatest start to my play script. I think I've missed out, I need to put another sort of piece of stage action here. A tiny figure emerges from the flying machine. But I wanted to make sure I got on to showing you the speech, so I didn't have enough space to do that. So if I was improving it, I would have my scene setting, I would have a little bit of action here, and then a little bit of speech, and then I would say, a tiny figure emerges from a flying machine. And then Mara could maybe say, who are you? And then Lucas could say, stay away from me, you horrible giant, I'm not afraid of you. So look at the example today on the website, use the checklist and have a go at writing a play script for the part of the film that you have chosen. Okay, have fun and I'll see you tomorrow.